Shifting focus now, in another major attack against the Congress and Rahul Gandhi, Union Minister Smriti Irani said the Congress held their hold over Amethi but did not build toilets for the people there. Hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, she said that the party has now moved on to Wayanad. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is seeking to win from Kerala's Wayanad. This comes after a series of attacks by the BJP and Smriti Irani, who's contesting from Amethi. Remember, Smriti Irani earlier said that she was able to do in 5 years what the Congress party was not able to do in several years in Amethi. She slammed Rahul Gandhi's nomination from Wayanad, saying the party has changed its colour. Listen it.
इन लोगों ने वर्षों वर्ष रिश्तों की दुहाई दी, लेकिन घर परिवार की महिलाओं को खुले में शौच करने से आजादी मिली, एक शौचालय नहीं बना पाए। रिश्तों की दुहाई इतनी दी, फिर वायनाड चले गए। वायनाड जाकर जब नामांकन पत्र भरा तो घोषित कर दिया कि अब वायनाड ही उनका परिवार है। हमने कहा, वाह भैया, लोगों को रंग बदलते देखे थे, परिवार बदलते पहली बार देख रहे हैं।
I'm being joined by Congress spokesperson Pooja Tripathi. Now, Ms. Tripathi, two-pronged attack from the BJP on the Congress. One, that they've not done anything in Amethi, that not a single toilet was able to be built by the Congress. And secondly, they're saying that you've moved on to Wayanad without bothering about Amethi now.
Aarti, I want to make it very clear. I want to put it very bluntly. Ms. Smriti Irani, not just an honourable Minister for Women and Child Development, she's the brand ambassador of Ministry of Rahul Gandhi obsession. Her obsession with मैंने युवराज को हराया है is borderline psychotic. You know, she goes on to ask people, यहाँ गांधी आते थे, यहाँ गांधी खाते थे, क्या ये गांधी देते थे, पहले वो इसे घर बोलते थे, अब नहीं बोलते थे. You have been an MP for 5 years and all you do is talk about Mr. Rahul Gandhi. All you do, you have been asked by a journalist from the Ankita Bhandari's parents' protest against her rape and murder. You just run away from the scene. But whenever the term comes, whenever, Mr. Gandhi files nomination, she joins the BJP state president K. Surendran for her nomination. There she goes, and Wayanad she goes, and she just calls out Rahul Gandhi. On the contrary, look at the odds. That has Mr. Gandhi ever commented on Ms. Smriti Irani? Never. So I don't know what this unhealthy obsession. It doesn't look like a winner. You have been an MP. We just saw this video of an independent journalist who was showing us the condition of your Sujanpur and Amethi, the village that you adopted in Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana, and the plastic waste management there, which does not have electricity since last 4 years. And then you go on and say that, Amethi ko maine itna diya, Amethi ko that's the Adarsh Gram Yojana. The picture, the pathetic picture is for everyone to see. I think Ms. Smriti Irani should just stop this unhealthy obsession with Mr. Gandhi and just concentrate on what she has done as an MP, because elections are just around the corner and Congress has not yet released its candidates from Amethi and Raebareli. They have not yet opened our cards. So, she should stop her obsession and concentrate on her work instead.